Welcome back. It is 14 hours after the last recording, and we are reviewing Lesson 78 today. Let miracles replace all grievances. This is part of Lesson 89. We're in a review set of 10 days, and we have one more review day. That's tomorrow. So let's begin. Let miracles replace all grievances. By this idea do I unite my will with the Holy Spirit's and perceive them as one. By this idea I do accept my release from hell. By this idea I do express my willingness to have all my illusions be replaced with truth, according to God's plan for salvation. I would make no exceptions and no substitutes. I want all of heaven and only heaven as God wills me to have. Useful specific forms for applying this idea would be, I would not hold this grievance apart from my salvation. Let our grievances be replaced by miracles. Beyond this is the miracle by which all my grievances are replaced. Let's take a deep breath in and out to begin our practice. Breathing in, let miracles replace all grievances. Breathing in, I unite my will with the Holy Spirit's. My will and the Holy Spirit have one will. Breathing in, I am willing to replace all of my illusions with truth. Breathing in, I accept God's plan for salvation. Breathing in, I want all of heaven as God wills me to have. Breathing out. Let's call to mind any circumstances, situations, and relationships, people, where we may be holding on to grievances. And as each grievance arises, no matter how little or large, let's greet it with one of the specific forms for today's idea. I would not hold this grievance apart from my salvation. I would not hold this grievance apart from my salvation. No exceptions. And just breathing in and out into the ease and clarity of not having to sort through any grievances, not having to reason, justify. We can shut off that inner lawyer. All grievances can be replaced with miracles when we choose. I'm just relaxing the belly, relaxing the chest, relaxing the face and hands. Let miracles replace all grievances. And calling to mind those with whom we have grievances, we can refer to them by name. Let our grievances be replaced by miracles. And then say the name of your loved one or the person with whom you're experiencing grievances. Let's spend a couple minutes here inhaling and exhaling, enjoying the freedom that this release from suffering brings. Some of our grievances seem impossible. So how can we be willing to replace our grievances with miracles? Well, let's go back through this week's review. Breathing in, forgiveness is my function as the light of the world. It is through accepting my function that I will see the light in me. So accepting this function is not a sacrifice. It is a self-gift. It is a mark of abundance, care, trust. The light of the world brings peace to every mind through my forgiveness. Just feel as we inhale and exhale the agency in that statement. I am the light of the world. I can forgive and bring peace to every mind. My forgiveness is the means by which I become aware of the light of the world in me. My forgiveness is the means by which the world is healed together with myself. My only function is the one God gave me. This recognition releases me from conflict because it means I cannot have conflicting goals. But then we are quickly reminded this is not a sacrifice because my happiness and my function are one. All things that come from God are one. How do I have the ability to do these things? Well, we learn in lesson 67, love created me like itself. And love holds no grievances. As I look on this, everything around me, people, let me remember my Creator. I will worship no idols, nor raise my own self-concept to replace myself. If I hold grievances, I am attacking love, therefore attacking myself. Holding grievances hides the light of the world in me. I have no need for this. I want to see. My salvation comes from me. From within me, it will reach beyond, and everything I see will reflect the light that shines in me and in itself. Only God's plan for salvation will work. And I will rejoice because His plan can never fail. Holding grievances is an attack on God's plan for salvation. I am choosing between misperception and salvation as I look upon this. There is no will but God's. I am under no laws but God's. The light has already come, and I am entitled to miracles. Let miracles replace all grievances. Beyond this is the miracle by which all my grievances are replaced. Thank you for joining for Lesson 89, where we reviewed Lesson 78, Let Miracles Replace All Grievances. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for Lesson 90. Have a good night. Bye-bye.